If your wall starts peeling within 6 months, or you notice patchy marks when sunlight hit them in the morning, or your skirting boards chip ridiculously fast, there's usually a reason, and it's rarely just bad paint. Some painters cut corners in ways most homeowners never notice, until they've been paid, until they have left, until the problem shows up later. I'm a decorator and I've been painting and decorating for years, and I'm going to show you exactly what to look for. Skipping prep because you'll never see it. The biggest corner cut in painting is prep. Because prep is boring, prep is dusty, prep takes time. And homeowners don't always know what it should look like. Proper prep means cleaning walls with sugar soap, sanding glossy surfaces, filling cracks properly, letting filler dry fully, sanding again, dusting off. That alone can take half a day in one room. Now here's the trick. If someone turns up at 9 am and by 11 am they are already rolling paint on old greasy walls, something was skipped. Paint only sticks as well as the surface underneath. If you paint over grease from hands, cooking, vapor or years of dust, it won't bond properly. And 6 months later, peeling, flaking, bubbling around sockets. And by then the painter is long gone. Good prep isn't visible, but bad prep shows up later. Number 2. Watering down paint to stretch it. Now this one is subtle. Manufacturers allow small dilution percentages, but some painters push it too far to make a thin go further. If you over dilute paint, coverage drops, opacity weakens, color looks slightly washed out. It goes on easy. It dries fast, it looks fine under normal light. But when sunlight hit the walls from the side, you'll see roller marks, patchiness, thin areas. Here's something most homeowners don't realize. A properly applied coat of quality paint should hide most color change by the second coat. If you're going from cream to grey and after 2 coats you still see shadowing, something isn't right. Watered down paint saves them money, but it costs you durability. Number 3. 2 coats that aren't really 2 coats. Now this is a clever one. They say 2 coats, but what they do is 1 thick coat and a quick light pass. Or they rush the second coat before the first one has cured. Paint needs drying time between coats. Not just touch dry, properly dry. If you rush it, it drags, it doesn't level properly, it can sag, it can crack later. 2 proper coats should look deep and even, not heavy and slightly rubbery to touch. Thickness does not equal quality, even coverage does. Number 4. Not protecting your home properly. This is where you can spot laziness instantly. Furniture pushed to the middle but not covered fully. Sockets not masked properly. Radiators sprayed with tiny flecks. You only notice it when you're cleaning weeks later. A professional job leaves no evidence behind. No paint on hinges, no splashes on floors, no brush marks on door handles. If you're finding little mistakes everywhere after they leave, that's not bad luck, that's rushed work. Number 5. Charging premium using budget materials. Now this one hurts the most. Quoting for premium finish, but using cheap rollers that shed fibers, low-grade tape that bleeds, basic filler that cracks, budget contract paint when you paid for branded. Here's what you can do as a homeowner. Ask what brand paint is being used. Ask what finish. Ask what prep method. A confident, honest painter won't get defensive. They'll explain everything because good tradesmen are proud of their process. Now let me be clear, not every painter does this. There are incredible decorators out there who take real pride in their work. But if you know what to look for, you won't be caught out. Prep takes time, proper coats takes time, good materials cost more, and quality always shows. If someone promises a full house painted in 2 days for cheap, just ask yourself how. Because shortcuts always show up later. I will be posting a video on 10th of March showing exactly how to paint a room step by step, including prep. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out.